Hello and welcome to Wake Up and Smell the Mic S&P 500 review for Tuesday, February 14th, 2023. It's now 6:19 a.m. Central Time. We start off in the S&P 500 daily chart in DeMark looking back to end of October 2021. I'll zoom into the current area now. The S&P daily chart has printed the combo and sequential buy setup 4 count, and to negate that for end of day today, there must be a close above 4117.86 for the price flip to the sell setup count 1, and price in the pre-market hours at 6:21 a.m. for the S&P 500 is 4147. So if the CPI report is good today, it will beat that handily and close well above 4117.86 for the price flip. And price for yesterday on the 13th missed by a mile, getting above 4164 for the confirmation bar of the relative retracement up 1, so that's still disqualified. CPI report is bad and things head south. The trend factor down 1 will be qualified on a close below that. Keep going. The disqualified momentum down, close below that. Trend factor down 2, and the big one here, the TDST level 39.4970, a close below that qualifies all the above mentioned levels. And this supply line for today is at 4163.30, and if there is an open above that level and then subsequently ticks 2 ticks higher and closes above that level, 4163.30, this will become qualified. And just about the same for this supply line here, which for today is at 4194.91. If there's an open above it and ticks 2 ticks higher, closes above this, that's qualified, or just an outright close above it would qualify it also. And to the downside, this demand line is at 4020.23 for today, and an outright close below that level, 4020.23, would qualify that. Same thing for this ongoing demand line, which is at 3954.54 for today. And the S&P 500 weekly chart shows that if price closes end of week Friday, end of day, above this disqualified momentum up level for 50% and 100%, it will become qualified. And turn around and go the other way. A close below this ongoing demand line, 3982.82, will qualify that level, and the conversion line is right there also. The S&P 500 support and resistance levels big board chart shows the gray areas at R1 and the weekly 2018 broadening top in dashed red. And price in the pre-market hours for the S&P 500 at 6:55 a.m. is 4151. And to the downside is the pivot point daily conversion line, S1 disqualified by TDST, weekly diamond bottom uptrend extension, and the weekly high channel 3. To the upside is R2, daily ongoing supply line, the other daily ongoing supply line. uptrend line 06/16/2022, and both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100's daily AD lines made it above their 21 EMA signal lines, and the New York traditional McClellan breadth oscillator to get back to zero would require 1,154 advancers over decliners to get back to zero. Have a great day.